This guy is driving more vehicles than he is his own bike. Look at him. Look.
Hiya!
Hiya! So guys, what are we up to today? Right, we are going to Elan Valley. We've got a camping weekend fully booked. We're just at the food stop cafe. We've got the wife on the back.
Hiya!
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 So, just had some breakfast. Let's make a move. Are we keeping it the same order, are we? Yeah. I don't want to know why you're wet. Ooh. On the road again. Yeah, we'll get 4 tenths in there, easy, won't we? Yeah, we're going swimming in the river. You ain't going swimming. So Jay, I've got to ask, why have you come to a bike weekend in a van?
Okay, follow me, man. You're right, fella. How's it going? You're right, chap.
That's a great arse, by the way.
Thanks.
Oh. Oh.
That's why, pal.
I like that.
I don't think I'm going to get it out because I've got everyone's luggage, but
we need to get it out fast though.
Yeah, it'll be out in a minute. This is just going to get chucked out. Yeah, hey, watch this, watch. So, right, so we've arrived, Elan Valley. Only a few of us here, so we've got us spot. Do you know what? I want to get my bike out, but I can't because somebody's shit in it. Somebody's shit. In fact, I want to say.
Well, you take that one.
I was going to say, I forgot. Is that your 10?
I'll take this one.
Eye patch. And you're not having any of it.
Oh, so, hang on a minute. So you're telling me where to put my tent?
I'm not telling you where to put it.
Because what? The gratitude you get. Who's are these panniers?
Yeah. Who rides on a bike weekend without their panniers?
Who's are these panniers, mate?
I've no idea.
And I don't even get a choice.
I've got my bag.
Do you know that really suits you?
Does it?
It really does, mate.
colour.
Yeah.
It matches your eyes.
It does.
You got her.
Is it a flea?
Yeah.
Ew.
You look like one of them matches, you know, like Swan Vesta match with that helmet on and that really sort of skinny tight body.
Oh, I've not skipped leg day.
I think you skipped everybody part day.
One way to get out of this.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Subscribe to the OnlyFans. So Jay's brought his beautiful 125 bullet.
Those toilets are not bad
It'll be good to see him out on that tomorrow. Nice little setup we've got.
Well, you'd have to do it on a Harley.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah, you have to do it.
That's what they're built for. I mean,
Apparently, Moisty calls snores, so we're not looking forward to that. And then Dave with the barbecue.
Horrible spot, seems like we've got to pull over.
It's going to be a good weekend. Morning, guys. I was going to say morning. It must have been the worst night's sleep we've ever had. I'm pretty much lying on the floor. The airbed is rubbish. Freezing cold. Couldn't get warm to save my life. I think you've got about an hour's sleep, haven't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No one wants to see this.
I suppose you better get up. And just say whatever you want to say.
Breakfast is on the go.
Will be on my video?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what you do?
Dylan. We've got Master Chef over here with his boobies out.
I wouldn't call myself a master.
Oh, sorry, Mrs. Chef over here with the boobies out. Apparently against his will, but I watched him let his dad just put it on him.
And then we've got Mike.
I have no idea.
Oh, yeah.
Just start putting mine. No, it's just a...
So yeah, we're just waiting for his bacon and sausage. And we've got
Okay.
Kay. Sorry, Kay. Forgot about you.
I was hiding behind.
Mrs. Wheels or Mrs. Cart's Wheels.
Yeah, Mrs. Cart's wheels, I'll
Mrs.
take
Cart's
that,
wheels,
yeah.
And Mr. Cart's Wheels is over there, look. Mr. Cart's Wheels, yeah.
And here comes Moisty.
Here's Moisty. Again? Do you feel better now, mate? Do you feel a stone lighter?
No, I didn't manage to drop off. Good morning. How are you? Welcome to Elan Valley.
Now do a
Was
Welsh
that
one.
like half German, half Scottish?
I could have been.
Yeah. So here we've got Fritz.
Ja, good morning. It's the Kampensvader. It's all good here down at the Elan's Valley. We are waiting for the foods that the Motovlog UK is about to cook.
No, not Motovlog UK. Max.
Oh, it's Max, yeah. Max is cooking.
Can I just ask something, mate? You know, when you talk like that, why does you like your body go like this?
Get into the flow.
It sounds like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Yeah.
Yes, the kind of camper Arnold.
Yeah. You sound like you're going to start going, I want your boots, your boat, your clothes and your motorcycle.
Arnie is my brother.
Does he the one that pumps the weights?
Yes, big weights from both arms. I just do the one.
Hello.
Hello. So, we've just been for a roughly 100-mile ride around Elan Valley. Obviously,
Round the valleys.
Round the valleys, taking in Devil's Staircase and some very, very beautiful sights. We
Don't talk about me, just talk about the ride.
there was no beautiful sights there. You don't want to see her, do you? You want to look at Moisty's bum. We had one little incident, didn't we?
Only a little one.
Little one. We popped your cherry.
Yeah. Had our first fall.
Wow, we say fall.
It was a drop.
If I manage to get hold of the footage,
It was like a stop, drop and roll, because I rolled, the bike dropped, and it was after we stopped.
We're not superstars, we're everyday people, and shit happens.
Why on earth would you say we're not superstars?
You know, if we're putting it out there online, people get embarrassed about it. Yeah, everyone's going to have a laugh about it tonight, and I'm going to have a laugh about it tonight.
God, yeah, we're already laughing about it now.
So, right, tonight's antics now consist of getting some food, getting some drink inside us, hopefully not freezing our
Yeah, we're gonna
bottoms
drink.
off.
We're gonna hopefully drink enough so that we do just pass out, right?
And then we'll get the tent down in the morning. It's due to absolutely pee it down tomorrow. Thus,
But we can't complain because today's been beautiful.
it has been beautiful, yeah. So tomorrow morning, then all we need to do is just wake up, get the tent down. I'll have the bike all packed up ready tonight, just to put the tent in and whatever clothes we're wearing tonight in, and jump on, go home, back to the kids because I miss them. Do you miss the kids?
I suppose I'm gonna have to say yeah. Yeah, I do.
I'm not cutting that bit out, I'm staying in. Right guys, we'll hopefully see you in a little bit with some of tonight's antics.
Morning, guys. It's the morning after the night before. We're all putting down our tents. Not quite sure what that was. Slept a little bit better. Not making it easy for me. Yeah, slept a little bit better. Some of us are dry, some of us not so much.
Moist. Very wet.
Some of us are just a bit moist. And some of us are just crazy.
There's a reason we chose it.
Overall though, great weekend. Definitely do it again. And yeah, just with a good group of people. Gonna pack up everything now and hopefully head towards to get some breakfast and then head home. Thanks for joining us along the way, and yeah, hope to see you out there. Bye.
Right guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you check out the next video, which will just be the ride itself.
This nice scenery that I got with my arm in the air.
We've got Kaylee on the camera. So it's half audio, half music, but we hope to see you out there.
That's recording. So what did we think of Rob Beckett?
I don't even know who he is,
Is
but
that a comedian?
I've heard that he looks a lot like him.
Yeah, I've heard
So-
that Rob Beckett sucks cock, so he's definitely going to be like Steve.
Yeah, I think that's where he's gone now. Actually,
Yeah.
he's gone
Gone
off
to
to suck a bit.
Suck moist
Yeah.
his butt. What do you think of him?
I think he's alright, if I'm honest.